guys, wala pang liguan after maglakad ng car registration, not registration, car transfer ownership. Here guys, where I am, here somewhere to the house here. Look at this place here. Really beautiful guys. Wala pa akong ligo See the water here. Halata bang walang ligo? Alas 5 na kami natapos mag video call ni auntie and then you can see after our 5 AM video call, tulog ako ng 5 and then nagising ako ng 10 na. Wala na, tayo na, tapos labas na kasi half day lang ngayon yung office.